guys, welcome back to Bihar Geek. So today we are going to tackle a new problem, that is product of array except the self problem. Okay, so where we need to find the product of all the elements of an array except the current element at the index. Okay, so we have given an array. Okay, so we have to return an output such that the output I is equal to the product of all the element except the current index value. Okay, but the problem basically is that when we are at this particular index, so we have to do the product of each. So if we're doing the product of these things, so we will get a value of 24. When we move to this particular index, so in that case we have to do the product of all the elements, so that is equal to 12. So on we have to do it. Okay, so the approach we are going to follow here is that we will calculate the product of element to the left and right of each index. Okay, and we will store that product element to the left directly in the output array. Then we will multiply the right product at each index in the second pass. Fine. So let's do it in the code. You will get to understand what I am trying to say. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to do int n equal to num stop length. Okay, first we have a length of the array, and then the result which we are need to print. Then result, okay, array, and it will be of size same, that is n only. Right. Now what we have to do, we have to initialize the result. Okay, so at the 0th index, what we have to do, we will put the value as 1 for now. Right. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the left product of each index. Right. First we have to iterate I equal to, we have to start it with 1, because at the 0th index we have already put it value 1. Right. Then I plus plus, then we have to do result I, where we have to put the 2 result I minus 1, and we will multiply by the value, that is nums I minus 1. Right. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the right product. Okay, so we have to iterate same, and when we calculate the right product, then what we will do, we will multiply it into the result array. Okay, so first we need a int right product. Product equal to 1 in the starting, and then we will start a loop. So loop will be start, we here we are calculating the right product, so the loop will be moved from right to int I equal to n minus 2 is equal to 0 and I minus 1. Now what we have to do, the right product which we have defined here, let's right product I equal to the number we are getting, I plus 1. And next, result of I, then it will be our final result. Okay. Then it will equal to the right product. Right. Now what we have to do, we get the result here. It's ready. We just simply need to return it. So return result. Fine. Let me run this. Fine, it's got accepted. Let me submit it. Fine, it's got submitted also. So what is happening here? The first loop we will calculate all the element to the left of each index. Fine. This is the part where we are doing this, and the second loop is basically for calculate the product of element to the right of each index. Okay, and then we multiply this value directly to the result array. So the time complexity here, we go through the list twice. So once the left product and once for the right product. Okay. So the complexity is basically O of n, and the space complexity if we are talking about. So we have optimized the space by using the output array itself instead of creating an additional array for right and left product. So the space complexity is O of 1 here. Okay. So that's it for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Bihar Geeks for more coding challenges and explanation and tech insights. So hit like, bell icon, and stay tuned updated with the new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.